Hi everybody, happy Sunday. Hope you all have been having a great weekend. We've been having a really nice week of spring weather, and it looks like we're going to have summer weather coming up. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour to see what's new around here this week. Thanks so much for being here and watching. Garden number 2 is in. Got it all planted last week. I have the chickens summer range set up for them, and I leave a lot of it on mowed, or I'll mow parts of it sometimes throughout the summer and just let those weeds grow up and let the chickens play around in that. They love it. It's not great for the rest of the grass and it causes those weeds to grow, but they really enjoy picking through there and walking through there. It's fun to watch them. Let's go let the turkey friends out. Good morning. Some of you have asked if they can fly. This is about as good as it gets. These were my gardening helpers last week, and I'll tell you, they are not much help at all. And eventually, one of them kept trying to climb up my back and eat my ponytail, so they had to go back in their pen for a while. They sure love being outside, but what they do is they keep wanting to follow me everywhere I go, which is really cute. When I'm going to be at home, I let them out. They do pretty well staying in the yard, but I like to keep an eye on them. And then when I'm not home, I'm going to give them a huge area. They'll have this whole side back here that's fenced in. But I mentioned before, my chickens have that respiratory thing still kind of going on, so I'm trying to keep them as separate as I can for now. I finished planting everything on Wednesday this week. Maybe it was Thursday this week. And we've just had a few days of nice rain. There may have been a thunderstorm or two, but nothing huge. It's just been really nice rain watering it all, which is great. We're getting down to the end on these guys. Look at him. He's starting to look like a meat chicken, isn't he? We have just about maybe a week or two, and we are going to start putting these guys in the freezer. Sad but true. Well, I hope you have a great rest of the weekend and a very happy Sunday. I'll see you the next time. Thanks so much for watching.